Oh, tasting. Is it yummy? Delicious.
Can you give me a piece?
Tristan, William wants a taste. Can you give William a taste? All right. Oh, can you have a taste? Is it good?
Yeah.
Yay! Good job, Tristan.
It's strawberry cake.
Yummy, it's strawberry cake. God, you guys are lucky. Oh, yay! Perfect.
That was so good.
Oh, you're lucky again. Wow.
I'm getting so much cake.
You really are.
Ow.
Oops, gentle. You're a really good brother, William.
Giving me so much cake.
He really is. He's cooking up a storm.
What?
He's doing a lot of cooking. Oh, it's hot. Don't touch it. It's cooking.
The ice cream is cooking. The cake was cooking.
Mm-hmm.
Now we just need to put frosting on.
Bless you.
Sneeze is on the cake.
Wow.